Good morning, children. Welcome to the second term. And in the second term, today I am going to start Geography 5th lesson, Major Domains of the Earth. So, the major domains of the Earth, what information is there, what is the main importance of the major domains. So, children, today onwards, please try to read the textbook and listen carefully also. Let us start the lesson. As you have read in the first chapter, the earth is the only planet which has life. Human beings can live here because the life sustaining elements of land, water, air present on the earth. So children, in first the planets, the earth is the third planet, and also the we can call it is the unique way planet, and it looks like a blue in color also. The human beings are living on the earth. So the surface of the earth is complex zone in which three main components of the environment meet. So here also the surface of the earth, the complex zone, and also the three main components of the environment we meet, overlap and interact. So children, the solid portion of the earth on which we live is called the lithosphere. So the litho means it is the land where we are living, lithosphere, and to grow the crops or about the land it gives the more information. It is the lithosphere. The gases layers that surround the earth is the atmosphere. So the oxygen and nitrogen, all the gases are there in the atmosphere also. About all these layers, we will learn more information in coming paragraphs also. The next one is the where the in the atmosphere where oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide and other gases are found. Water covers a very big area of the earth's surface, and this area is called the hydrosphere. Hydrosphere means the we can see, and also the it gives information about the water also. On the earth 3 by 4th of the water is covered. The hydrosphere comprises water in all its forms, that is ice, water and water vapor also. So we can see oceans, rivers, well and seas, and also the melting of the ice into the water also. So when it is evaporating, water vapor also we can see. All these belongs to the hydrosphere. The biosphere is the narrow zone where we find land, water, air together, which contains all forms of the life. The main three components of the earth, lithosphere, atmosphere, hydrosphere, everything it is going to be comprised. The biosphere is the it looks like a narrow zone only, but the lithosphere, hydrosphere, when before only I told lithosphere and land, atmosphere, air, hydrosphere, water together, which contains all forms of the life also. So children, this is the introduction part of the lesson, and next one is the lithosphere. Lithosphere, the solid portion of the earth is called the lithosphere. It comprises the rocks of the earth, crust and thin layers of soil contains, and also nutrient elements which sustain organisms also. The earth, it is the layers of the earth also it is there. It is very important for human beings to live here also. There are the two main divisions of the earth's surface. The large land masses are known as the continents, and the huge water bodies are called the basins. All the oceans of the world are connected with one another. We can see in the map also, figure 5.1, are all the land masses connected with one another. So children, the land masses we can see continents, and also the water ocean basins also it is there. The level of the sea water remains the same everywhere. Elevation of the land and also measures from the level of the sea, which is taken as the Zero also. The lithosphere, it gives the more information, and it is the first sphere also, the lithosphere, and about the land and also the solid of the earth. The lithosphere, what materials are there, the crust of the earth to grow the crops, and good mud also it is there, rocks are there, mountains are there, table land also, plateaus also it is there on the earth, along with the these materials, and even ocean bodies also are located on the earth only. So children, let us continue in the tomorrow's class also. So this page you have to read carefully and understand it more. Thank you.